Hello and welcome to another segment with Aras Medical Devices exclusive. In today's pandemic situation, we're going to learn more about saving life from the coronavirus with oxygen systems which are used in hospitals and healthcare sector. Today's segment is all about that.
Good evening to all. My name is K.C. Babu from Aras Medical Devices Equipment Co. LLC, the managing director of the group. We are providing almost every area from Dubai to Middle East, Africa and Asian countries. We are providing medical gas system. All this we are providing for the patient care. Oxygen is the main subject we are handling. Oxygen, nitrous oxide, medical air, medical vacuum, AGSS with a different central medical gas system. During this coronavirus, we are almost covering almost every area with the support of a PSA unit, PSA unit processing absorption unit from taking the oxygen from the air, and we are preparing that for the oxygen use. Then also we are providing a VAE, vacuum insulative operators unit, providing as a liquid oxygen tank, which is providing to the patient. Also compressed air, compressed gas system cylinders. Then from the compressed gas cylinders we are providing oxygen, nitrous oxide, Endanox or oxygen and nitrous oxide mixer. Then you got air, also surgical air and CO2, and also we are providing a nitrogen. This compressed gas system we are providing through the manifold to the patient or in the hospital or in the treatment area, like a recovery, CCU, treatment rooms, ICU, operation theatres. All this area which we are providing from through the outlets, we are connecting we are taking from the central pipe medical gases through the ceiling. Then we are providing a sound service unit. Then after that, to control through the outlet. From the outlet, we are providing through the flow meters, regulators, and everything. Then it is connected to the machine like a ventilators, oxygen flow meters connected to the patient. All this line we need to have a very good design is to be done. We are almost 200 engineers are working in the group. Therefore, everybody is trained. When you are talking about the training, means we are providing authorized engineers training, authorized patient training, competent patient for medical gas installation. Also we are providing a maintenance, we are providing a cylinder management system. Also we are providing the nurses, we are providing the training for them, and the dedicated nurses we are providing. Mainly we are talking to the training means, if we are not providing a proper training to the staff or the people who are handling this, it will be very difficult to handle this gas system. Therefore, we are providing everywhere, we are providing the training. Once we finish the complete installation, central medical gas, we are providing the training to the staff. Therefore, we are always in the prompt, and also the engineers, we got a maintenance engineers, they are providing a non-station and station maintenance people are there. They are providing in the on-site operations that we are doing. Also non-station people are actually going, and whenever there is an emergency, we are covering the area totally from almost we are covering 200 to 300 kilometers away from Dubai. We go with our vehicle to the technician emergency service we are carrying out. This is the system we are providing everywhere in the UAE. The similar setup also we are providing and we are giving the training. The training which I are talking about, like other person and also competent person and a porter training, and also nurses, dedicated nurses training we are providing to them to how to use the gas system. This is what we are providing in the Middle East area and also in Dubai, also Abu Dhabi. Wherever the places they need training, we are providing that. That's what we are always trying to do. This is the way we can provide it to every area. We are actually now we started to manufacturing the facilities now. This is like a compressed air system, oxygen system, nitrous oxide system, air, vacuum, all the system we are actually manufacturing the plant and equipments and everything. It will be easy for to use everywhere, and also it is available now quickly. So we are facing the problem for the bringing the item, and we are delivering this item taking time because of this corona. Every country, everywhere there is a lockdown is there. Therefore, we are now we are going to start our manufacturing with ISO standard. When you talk about ISO is international standards, BS is a British standard, and EN is a UN standard, EU European standard. All the standards actually we are there is a system to how to make the system and how to give this system to the hospital and as well as to the end users. This is what we are doing everywhere now at the moment, and we are all happy. We are also happy, and our patient also happy, and those who are working in they are also happy that because we are giving a completely safe and sound system to the every medical professionals, and this is what we are happening at the moment. This the quality of the system also we have to be covered like a pharmacopoeia standards. The pharmacopoeia standard we are because the quality of the gas should be 100% clear. Therefore, we have to provide a pharmacopoeia standard everywhere in the area where we are using our medical gas system. Thank you very much, and we will see you next time.
That brings us to the end of this segment of Aras Medical Devices Exclusive. Until we meet next time, this is your host Ansi Harshal signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.